Dun, dun, dun. Welcome back to the Gamato Toto, and Ian show. Today they're getting their new car. Let's see how it looks.
Alright. First, before the video starts, subscribe.
Subscribe, please. I only have 3. Help. Oh, please. I'll give you a kiss if you like that, you know?
Anyway, onto the video. Alright, now we just gotta wait for them. Oh, there they are. Hey, is that a car? Hey, you ain't the car repair guy? Yeah, you ain't the car repair guy. Well, actually, yeah, I know I'm not the car repair guy, but he's sick right now, so I'm gonna be taking care of him. Or taking his place. Oh, okay. Okay, now, let's go see our new car. Ooh, it's a nice car.
You like this, baby? You want to hear her purr? Let me drive it over here.
Like my Yeah, that was funny.
Oh, it's stuck. Guess you forgot I put the towing thing off. Anyway. Yeah. Whee!
Oh my, that was good.
After crashing for like 2 straight minutes. Well, my knees are my knees are probably broken, but you know it's all fine. Anyway.
Okay. Yeah, let's get in.
There's your new car. Bye. I'm gonna go sleep.
With the wild animals? The wild animals?
No.
Well, why is there wild animals right near you? Ice?
What? Boy. That hurt my entire body.
Scary skeleton.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go sleep.
Yeah, we got a new car. Let's go.
To the store they go.
Yeah, let's go.
To get the cereal.
Cereal? Alright, yeah. Alright, at first we need to bring our guns so we can rob. I'm just kidding. Spooky, scary scout.
And then we're gonna make...
When they get to the store.
Okay, we need to save this train. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be hard. Everybody's gonna be fighting for them. Everybody's gonna be fighting for them Lucky Charms. Lucky Charms? I thought we were getting Cheerios. Well, those 2. So, let's get ready to go. Will they get their Cheerios? Find out on the next episode of Gamatoto and Ian.